Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 4.7, Web 2.0 and social media. These are the most popular terms nowadays. Most of you do not know the actual meaning and functionality of these two terms. That's why in this concept I would like to explain what is Web 2.0 and social media, and I would like to introduce some popular social media. Web. Already in the previous concept I explained what is web. It is nothing but World Wide Web, WWW, and it is simply called as web. Actually, it was introduced or released in 1993, and subsequently it became very popular and all that. By 2000, because of a big setback of dot-com companies, economic failures of the dot-com companies, a setback was created for web also. Because at that time, web was widely used by dot-com companies. Because of the economic failures of dot-com companies by 2000, one setback was created. But subsequently, in 2004, the web was released with a new vigor, that is, with new features, and it was known as Web 2.0. You can understand this as a second generation of web. In the second generation of web, instead of static HTML pages earlier, now most dynamic features, dynamic pages with many other features were introduced. And the greatest feature among them is web apps. Web apps are distributed among the users and all that, and web apps can be used as if you purchase an application software. For example, now you see taxi services and all that. The corresponding web app, if you download in your smartphone and all that, then for booking, tracking taxis, everything, what type of service you expect for booking a taxi, tracking a taxi, everything is in your fist. By using smartphone, whenever you want a taxi, you can book it, and where it is presently situated, how much time it takes to reach you, all that you can know. That means it is simply a free app issued by a taxi maintaining company, and by that you can get all the benefits. There are thousands and lakhs of web apps are being developed, and because of the new generation of Web 2.0, those are being provided to the users. And based on the web and all that, many companies developed their own products, and they are providing many services. And that is the importance of web. Web 2.0 means you can understand a second generation of web which provide many dynamic features. Original web was a static one, and static HTML pages, text and all that it was providing, and Web 2.0 provides many dynamic features. Based on that, many companies were developed. Next one, social media. Social media is a very popular term nowadays. You must know the real meaning of what is social media. Social media creates a open platform open platform for social interaction among people. That means people, by using social media, they can interact with each other. They can create, share, and exchange their ideas, their views, and whatever information they want and all that. They can create, share, and exchange among the society. So you can interact with the entire world. That that is because of this social media. Social media, there are many companies and all that, and Google uh, is first ranked among that. It has become a signature company for popularizing this social media because it developed many things, many useful things, and and Google provides many innovations to the community. By that, the social media became very popularized, and it has become part of our day-to-day life. Now, I am going to introduce some of the web-based web-based companies and their services briefly. The first one is the Google. This is the first and foremost prominent company. It is a signature company for the popularity of the second generation of web. Actually, the most important feature of this, it developed the most efficient search engine. Actually, this Google is derived from the word Google. This is a mathematical term which represents 10 to the power of 100. 10 to the power of 100 means after 100 zeros are there. It represents its a search engine ability and all that. So, it's the most powerful search engine, and this was developed by this popular search engine was developed in 1996 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two people of Stanford PhD candidates developed this in 1996. It is providing the wonderful, the most efficient search engine among other search engines of the same category, and it provides many services including the most efficient email service. So it has become always, it is a big innovator, always it introduces new innovations, technologies and all that. The second one is Ajax. Ajax is a wonderful technology based on Web 2.0. Actually, it transformed internet applications as desktop applications. It is a very difficult task because internet applications uh, should act like uh, desktop applications. One problem is there. Actually, the data should shuttle between the desktop and server. It takes a lot of time and all that. Those are not effective. Because of this Ajax technology and all that, you can feel internet applications also as your desktop applications. The best example for this is Google Maps. How effectively, actually it is Ajax application. It is based on Ajax, and Google Maps, you feel like a desktop application, but in this the information is shuttled between a server and your desktop, but you never notice it. As if is available on your desktop, you can use it. That is the specialty of the Ajax, and this is simply based on Web 2 technologies only. The third one is the Facebook. The Facebook is the most popular social networking. Almost 600 million people are every day using Facebook, and it was developed in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg and others. And in this, millions of apps are developed by the users of Facebook, and they provide through the Facebook and all that. Mainly, most of these apps are amusement oriented, and nowadays nowadays everywhere, especially in youth and all that, most percentage of youth, the day to day life, it has become a part of their day to day life. That is such a important and the most popular social networking site. Thereafter, Twitter. Twitter, actually, it was developed in 2006 by Jack Dorsey and others, and it provides a revolutionized microblogging. Through microblogging, maximum with 140 characters, you can create a blog. Actually, this is being used by mainly by friends, by politicians, celebrities, government representatives, and all that. Their short messages, maximum it covers 140 characters, and this is a very popular. This thing there are around 95 millions users for the Twitter. Thereafter, Skype. Skype is for internet-based video calling. Video calling, and you can view the people and talk through through Skype. It was developed in 2003 by Nicholas Janstorm and others, and subsequently, this is also very popular internet video based site and all that, and uh, it was taken over by eBay company. And next one, YouTube. YouTube is a site which provides video sharing. People can create their videos, they upload, they can view, and they can share with the world. So most individuals provide, not only individuals, but majority part are individuals, companies, and institutions and all that. They develop their videos, and they can freely get the service. They can upload, they can view, they can share with the people and all that. Actually, this is the most popular one. Almost 10% of the internet traffic is consumed by YouTube. YouTube, there are millions of users for YouTube, and it is fastly becoming popularized in the world. And thereafter, Foursquare. Foursquare is mobile check-in apps, and it was developed in 2009 by Dennis Crow and others, and this provides a special facility and all that. You can download this app, this Foursquare app, into your smartphone, and you can link it to your Facebook account and Twitter account and all that. By that, your friends can know your whereabouts, and they can interact with you, and it uses GPS system, global positioning system, for extract your position, actual position and all that. If you don't have smartphone also, using text messages and all that, you can follow, your friends can follow you and all that. This is that for Foursquare. Next one is Wikipedia. This is also one of the most popular site, and it provides a free online uh, encyclopedia. By using this, any information, any type of subject, any type of word, any type of term, you can understand by referring this. It provides the complete information on all the subjects which are available on the earth. It is a free online encyclopedia which is used by millions of people.